Alright, we're going to do a walk around video on this 2015 Buick Enclave with the ATC wheelchair accessible ramp. I'll point out any dings, dents, or scratches as we go. There's a little ding on the driver's side door here. Overall, the vehicle is in good shape. A little wear on the lights here. A little ding there. Okay, so the way that this wheelchair accessible ramp works is we're going to have our regular key fobs here from Buick, and then on this ATC fob you have the open button. So you have to press and hold the whole time, and then that's going to open up the door here. Once that door is fully opened, it uses a hydraulic prop there. The kick plate folds down and then it lifts and creates a ramp right there from the floor. So that flooring in here then will have to be closed up once your wheelchair is inside of here. So then we just hit the close button here. And you can see that the floor then becomes flat once it's all closed up. And that closes it there. So then once you have the ability to be inside of here, then we use our power transfer seat. So we're going to move that back. And then this can actually swivel as well. So then you're able to transfer it. Now, it's a little tight in here because of the way that they designed it. So just confirm the specs work for your chair that I'll put in the description below. That way you know if it'll fit. Then once the chair is back, you'd be able to drive from there. We just need to add hand controls if that's what you'd like to do. We can do that here in-house with a prescription for your doctor. You can also exit the vehicle on this side. You can see that the lowering of the floor is stopped right there at the side rail. That's one of the ATC designs. We do have a power trunk button here. And then we've installed the Q-strain slide and click, so you have a set of 4 in there. And then you've got the brains of the whole operation from ATC back here, computer and hydraulic modules. And that's pretty much it.